part is about our Xiaomi HyperOS. So we have a lot of experience with the OS operating systems, and also we can use just the one system to connect everything together, just like your band, your watch, your car, and also the other things in your home. 下一个学回家模式。
需要帮你启动回家模式场景吗？
是的。
已为你启动回家模式场景。
Then you can just control it like one more. You control it. You want to go back home, and the light, the air conditioner will be open. The power will be on. It will be more convenient. Yes. And also you can call it. You want to leave home, and everything will be shut down. Yes, that's right.
Can you see your security camera on the display on the car?
Security car, you mean?
No, security camera from the house.
From your home, yes, you can use it.
Okay.
If you have a security camera,
Yeah. Questo è un po' il concetto.
If you have a pet at home,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. That's amazing.